Hi everyone! Today we're going to be working on proportions and I'm going to be showing you a different way of doing it. So this method works if you have numbers that are easy to use. And what do I mean by that? Let's say we have 3/10 and we want to convert this and we need to find out what x is over, let's say, 30. Okay? So the first thing you need to find out is what number do we multiply by? We know that we can always multiply by 1 so that we get the same number, except for it might look different, but it'll still be 3/10. So what number, when we multiply by 1, will get us to here? We know that if we use a 1, we can also write it as a fraction. Just remember the top and the bottom have to be exactly the same. So how do we get from here to here, multiplying? Hopefully, you can see it's 3. But remember, if you're going to put 3 on the bottom, to make this a 1, this also has to be 3. So once you get this, you can now do this. So that means 3 times 3 means that this becomes 9. And your answer, so what you're going to say is x equals 9. This giant 1 method also works for division. Let me show you that. Let's say we have a fraction 18 over 36 equals, let's make it really challenging with the x on the bottom, and put 1 over here. Okay, now you're probably going, I have no idea how to do this. This is basically when we talk about division, we're simplifying. So if you do this, let's say I don't know what it is, but I know that 2 goes into both of these. You can do this. And that would be 18 divided by 2 is 9. And 36 divided by 2 is 18. Okay, make sure to start on a new line. Remember we had that discussion, don't keep putting equals, equals, equals. So we're going to put this over here and do 9 over 18. Maybe you notice that, oh, I can do 3 in my giant 1. And what do we end up with now? 9 divided by 3 is 3. And 18 divided by 3 is 6. Hopefully, again, drawing over here, we have 3 divided by 6. And hopefully you can see that you can still keep going and do another 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Oh, so if you look at this and you look at this, our x has to equal 2. And that's how you do it.